Mechanics absolutely hate when drivers know this reset trick. Why? Because it solves 90% of common car problems for free. No tools, no parts, no visits to the shop. In fact, most dealerships hope you never learn this. And once you do, you'll never look at a warning light, rough idle, transmission slip, or electrical glitch the same way again. Curious? You should be. Because what you're about to learn could save you hundreds, even thousands, over your car's lifetime. Stick around until the end, because the final trick resets something most drivers never touch, and it controls how your car actually drives. 1. What this reset trick is and isn't. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't magic. It's not a scam. It's not some mechanic voodoo. This is a real, proven method used by professionals to reset your car's onboard computer systems and solve the majority of performance and warning light issues caused by glitches, electrical noise, or corrupted sensor data. Cars today are rolling computers, and just like your phone or laptop, they freeze, glitch, and misfire too. A reset wipes the confusion, reboots the modules, and gives your vehicle a fresh start. Psychologically, it gives you back control. And that's exactly why mechanics hate it. 2. Why resetting fixes so much. Most issues don't start with broken parts. They start with bad data. Sensors get momentarily confused. Power surges cause misreads. ECUs store old values. Modules go out of sync. That weird idle could be the throttle body stuck on an old trim setting. That hard shift could be the TCM trying to adapt to a non-existent problem. A reset erases bad inputs and lets your car relearn the correct ones. 3. The battery disconnect reset. Old school, but gold. This is the foundational reset. Still works today, especially on older vehicles. Steps: turn off ignition and remove key. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Press the brake pedal for 30 seconds. This drains stored power. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect the battery. This forces most modules to reboot. You may lose clock settings, but you gain a freshly calibrated ECM, idle reset, and cleared adaptive learning. Use this method when you just replaced a sensor, you installed a new battery, you want to clear odd transmission or throttle behavior. 4. The fuse box reset. Precision targeting. Don't want to reset everything? Then this is your move. Most fuse boxes under the hood or dash have individual fuses for ECU/PCM, TCM transmission, BCM body module, radio, infotainment, etc. Pulling these fuses isolates the reset to one system. Example: pulling the TCM fuse on a Nissan after a transmission flush can restore smoother shifting. Just remember to wait 10 minutes before reinserting. 5. The hidden ignition pedal dance. Throttle and transmission relearn. Modern vehicles allow you to reset certain modules with a pedal and key sequence. No tools required. Here's a general version for throttle and transmission reset. Works on many Nissan, Toyota, BMW, and GM vehicles. Turn ignition to on. Don't start. Wait 3 seconds. Press and release the gas pedal 5 times within 5 seconds. Wait 7 seconds. Press and hold the pedal for 10 to 15 seconds. Start the car and let idle. This clears throttle adaptation and TCM logic. Result: smoother acceleration, better idle, and restored responsiveness. 6. Use a cheap OBD2 scanner to clear stored faults. Some issues won't go away until you clear them manually. Get a $20 OBD2 scanner on Amazon. Plug into your car's port, scan for codes, then erase them. Common fixes this helps with: check engine light from a loose gas cap, temporary misfire from bad gas, O2 sensor blips. Bonus: live data mode lets you watch fuel trims, RPMS, and sensor output. Helps verify that the reset worked. 7. The hard reset combo for stubborn issues. Some cars hold on to data like glue. Here's how to do a deeper reset. Battery disconnect plus brake drain, like before. Fuse pull for PCM plus TCM. Wait 30 minutes. Reconnect. Idle relearn. Covered below. This combo often clears limp mode in Hyundai, VW, and Ford vehicles after a non-critical fault. 8. Idle relearn. After every major reset. Once your system is reset, the idle may feel rough. That's normal. Here's how to teach it what normal feels like again. Start engine, AC off. Let idle 5 minutes. Turn AC on, let idle 5 more minutes. Drive gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Your ECU recalibrates airflow, fuel trims, and idle targets. Without this step, you'll get stalling, hesitation, or fluctuating RPMs. 9. Resetting your TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. TPMS lights can stick after filling tires. Reset method for many Toyota, Honda, GM. Inflate all tires to specification. Turn ignition on. Press and hold TPMS reset button until light blinks 3 times. Drive 10 minutes at 30+ miles per hour. If the light stays on, you may have a bad sensor. 10. Factory reset, your infotainment and display settings. Weird screen behavior, glitches in Bluetooth or navigation. Go to settings greater than system greater than factory reset. This clears cached data and UI bugs. Think of it like clearing cookies on a browser. It won't affect drivability, but it restores a smooth digital experience. 11th, ABS and traction light resets, the right way. ABS and stability systems require special scan tools to reset, but some can self-reset if you replace the faulty wheel speed sensor. Drive above 10 miles per hour with correct tire pressure. Don't ignore these lights, but also don't assume worst case. Try a soft reset first. 12th, relearning steering angle sensor. After battery removal or alignment, you may see traction control lights. Steps to reset. Start engine. Turn wheel full left. Turn wheel full right. Center wheel. Drive straight for 30 seconds. This tells the car where center is. 13. Reset HVAC and blend door calibration. Hear a ticking noise when adjusting vents. Heat blowing cold. Try this HVAC reset. Turn ignition on. Press and hold recirculate plus rear defrost. Wait 10 seconds for actuator reset. Fixes blend door misalignment. Common after battery swaps. 14. Transmission reset equals new car feel. Modern automatic transmissions adapt shift timing and pressure, but they learn your style and sometimes get confused. Resetting clears that memory. Turn key on. Press gas pedal to floor. Hold 10 seconds. Turn key off. Release pedal. Wait 2 minutes. Start car. Result: crisp shifts, better downshifts, smoother feel. 15th, reset warning. Lights without tools on some models. Some cars let you clear warnings manually. For example, oil light reset, Toyota. Key on, trip reset held. Turn off. While holding button, turn key back on. Wait until light disappears. Every brand has its trick. Google your car model plus maintenance light reset. 16. Reset battery monitor system after new battery. Newer cars track battery age and charge rate. Replacing the battery, you need to tell the car. If not, it may undercharge or overcharge. Throw voltage codes, drain quicker. Some cars, BMW, Ford, Mazda, require a scanner. Others auto-adapt over 3 to 5 drive cycles. Still, a reset accelerates calibration. 17th, EGR and fuel trim. Reset. After cleaning carbon, just clean the intake or EGR. Reset your ECU. This wipes old fuel trims that were adjusted for dirty airflow. Your car will run richer or leaner if you don't reset. Do a battery pull or fuse pull. Then idle relearn. 18. What to watch for after a reset. Your car will go through a relearning phase. Expect lower MPG for a few days. Slightly rough idle. Gear hunting, all normal. Give it 100 miles. Then enjoy the smoother, more efficient ride. 19th, reset. Cheap diagnostics tool. Still not sure what's wrong? Reset, then drive. If the issue comes back, it's real. If it stays gone, it was a glitch. This strategy saves time and money before replacing parts blindly. It's how pros isolate intermittent problems. 20. Bonus. Keep a reset log. Every time you reset, write the date, what you reset, what symptoms it fixed or didn't. This creates a maintenance trail, useful when selling, diagnosing, or just staying smart. And that's it. The reset trick mechanics hope you never discover. Because once you know how to clear glitches, recalibrate systems, and reboot your car like a pro, you're not just a driver, you're in control. You won't panic at the first warning light. You won't hand over $300 for a relearn procedure. You'll save money, drive smarter, and stay empowered. Now it's your turn. Which reset trick blew your mind? Have you ever fixed your car for free with just a battery pull or button press? Drop your story in the comments. Let's build a community of drivers who think before they pay. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more no-fluff car hacks. And share this video with someone who's staring at a dashboard full of lights right now. Drive smart, reset often, and always remember, knowledge is the most powerful tool in your toolbox.